So my friends are always making fun of me for using this thing, but it's honestly the only thing I've ever tried that's actually stopped my hiccups. I've literally tried every solution possible. I've tried holding my breath. I've tried holding my nose. I've tried saying all the dumb stuff people tell you to say. None of that stuff ever works for my hiccups. But I found this hiccup straw on TikTok, and there are studies to back that this thing actually works. I mean, it was literally invented by a doctor. In a nutshell, the way it works is that it has a small hole right here in the bottom, which actually creates enough pressure in your diaphragm to actually stop the hiccups from happening. And even Mark Cuban said that everyone's gonna have one of these in their medicine cabinets eventually. I'm grabbing one of these for my whole family, but if you guys wanna get one as well, I'm gonna put the link for it down here.